my channel. So today I have a really different video for me because I do not do hair. I am so bad at doing hair. Anyone who knows me knows that usually my hair is either in a ponytail, a bun, or it's just all over the place. I thought it would be a really fun idea to do a review of the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've had this for a while now, but I haven't really used it or taken the time to really see the full results of it. A lot of the times I've used this and then I've gotten impatient, so I just finished off with my hair straightener. But today I really wanted to do more of an in-depth review and a demonstration of how to use this product. So I purchased this, I don't know how long ago I purchased this. I think about 6 months ago, maybe. Actually, maybe more than 6 months ago. But I purchased this from Ulta, and I know right now it's on sale for around, I want to say $44, and it's originally $60. So essentially what this is a hair dryer, hair styling tool, all in one. It's used preferably for damp hair. My hair in this video, you're going to see my hair was not wet. I did wash it the night before, so it was still a little bit damp from that, but it wasn't sopping wet or anything like that. I mean, I think it did a really great job. I think it's a really great time saver for those of you who use hair dryers and then styling tools. I could see this being a really great travel item and something that will take the place of all of your hot tools. My hair has definitely gotten more frizzy and more dry since I've gone lighter. And I need so much product now just to maintain it looking sleek and not frizzy. And I feel like this does a really good job of managing all of that. At the very end, I did go in with my hair straightener just at the very just at the very top here, by the front of my part, just to make sure that it was blended in, because this thing gets really hot, so I don't really want it to get super close to my scalp, because I've actually burnt my fingers on my hair trying to hold hair in place while rolling under with the styler. So just a note, this gets really, really hot. Usually it's harder to burn yourself on a straightener than this, I'm pretty sure, because this is steaming heat as you are styling your hair. And I just think you need to keep that in mind, to be really careful with this, because you could potentially burn yourself easily on this thing. Like I said, I went in with a hair straightener just at the top of my part to make sure everything was blended in, because it did have a little bit of frizz at the top. Again, because I couldn't go so close to my scalp with this thing. Overall though, I really think this is a worthwhile product. I think it's great for the price. And I know that this is definitely a competitor for the Dyson styling tool. I'm not sure what that's called, but I will link it right here. It's definitely more affordable than that. So I will just show you guys my little demonstration of how I did this.
I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay. Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me.
So as I mentioned before, I think the product is really worth the price, and I think that it's such a time saver, especially if you first go in blow drying your hair and then straightening it, or blow drying it and then curling it. I think that this is definitely a time saver. I think it's great for a really sleek salon style blowout with minimal effort. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you like these type of videos down below, because I would love to do more beauty related content on this channel. For those of you who don't know, I started this channel for my love of beauty, and then it kind of just snowballed into what it is right now. So let me know if you have any other recommendations. I would love to include some makeup tutorials soon. So just let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see from me. And that being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. That way you will know every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is at thenerdyfashiongirl. I am much more active on my Instagram. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! When you're young, you don't think